Hello, teacher.
Hello, Bob. Okay, I'm happy you're home now.
Yes,
Okay, how are you?
I'm great.
That's good. What did you do in the morning?
Uh, in the morning, I clean the house.
Oh, that's very responsible of you. Okay, what about in the afternoon?
Uh, in the afternoon, uh, I go play badminton.
With Ben?
Yes,
Okay, great. I hope you had a fun playing. So now let me share my screen and yes, we will talk about the vocabulary words and phrases. Again, okay, for a moment. So today we will have wait tables. Do you know what it means?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So you must probably you have forgotten because this is a review. Wait, see. It is a review, Bob. So, which means we have talked about this. It's okay. So, when we say wait tables, it means that someone will serve food and drinks at a restaurant. So, whose job is it to serve food and drinks at a restaurant?
Yes,
Whose job is it? Who does this job? Who wait tables? It
uh, uh, customer.
is it the customer? Wait tables, Bomb, it means that they will serve the food and drinks to the customers at a restaurant. So, wait tables job, Bomb, it is a job of a server. Okay, it is a server's job, right? Server or waiter, because their job includes writing the order of the customer, and at the same time, if the food or drink is ready, then they will serve it, right?
Yes,
Okay, that is wait tables. Now we also have to work long hours.
uh, uh, to do something many times.
Do something many times. When we say doing something many times, that is repetitive. Repetitive. But in here, to work long hours, it just means that you will spend many hours working each day. Okay? Like, for example, working long hours in the Philippines, you have to work 8 hours each day. So, working long hours probably would extend to hours each day. Bomb. Okay, so that is working long hours, about 8 to 10 hours each day. Now, what about to be well paid?
Uh, to be will pay is uh get many money.
Doing the job that you do. Okay, that's right. What about to work overtime?
Uh,
Do you know
Um,
overtime? Can you still remember the word overtime? Just this one. Overtime.
yes.
What does it mean? Can you remember? Overtime.
Uh,
Okay, it's okay, Bob. Now, when we say to work overtime, it means that you work more than your regular hours. So it's just the same as to work long hours, Bob. Okay, like for example, you're supposed to go home at 5 o'clock. Then you instead you go home at 6 or um yeah, 6 or 7 or more than that. Okay, that is working overtime, working more than your regular schedule. Now, what about to have a high salary?
to have a high salary. Uh, I don't remember.
Okay, you can remember it. Okay, it's just the same as to be well paid, Bob. It's just the same as to be well paid, which means you will receive a large amount of money that is paid to you regularly for you doing your job. Okay, so that is it. Now let us practice and tell me which category each word or phrase belongs in. So talk to customers.
Uh, Something stock like do.
Okay, yes, very good. What about teeth?
Something teachers do.
Sell things,
Uh, Something stock like do.
wait tables,
Something servers do.
work long hours.
Uh, Time
Yes, it is. To be well paid.
uh, is money.
That's right. To work overtime.
Uh, to work overtime is time
And to have a high salary.
is money.
Okay, great job. Now let us have exercise for complete the sentence. Can you tell me your answer for one?
Uh, how do you usually get to work?
Okay, that's right. What about for two?
I usually take the train to school.
Great job. Okay, three.
I have to write email at work.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about four?
What do you have to do at work?
That's correct. Okay, five now.
My first job was working as a nurse.
Okay, that's right. Six.
It was tiring.
Okay, and seven.
When was the last time you are sick?
Is it you
You
are sick?
you were sick?
Okay, yes. So in here, it were because you take were in the past of the verb 2. Okay, so we have here was. When was the last time? Of course, we will not use are, but were. Now 8.
I was sick yesterday.
Okay, that's right. Thank you so much. Now let us have exercise 5, ordering. Okay, tell me your answer for 1.
What is your uh, favorite toy of chessboard?
Okay, yes. What is your favorite type of transport? 2.
Do you usually ride your motorcycle to school?
Okay, great job. 3.
Is fast and cheap.
That's right. 4.
I don't have to work long hours.
What about 5?
What was what was first job? Oh,
What about your?
what was your first job?
Okay, correct. And 6.
Uh, what did you have to do?
What about 7?
I had a big age.
8.
Uh, I love walking to work.
Okay, that's right. Thank you so much. So now we'll proceed directly to lesson 11. Okay, for a moment. Okay, can you tell me what do you do in your free time?
Uh, I play football with my friend.
Football. What else?
Uh, and help my mom to uh to clean the house.
Okay, responsible of you, Bomb. That's good to know. What about Ben?
Uh,
Does he clean? Does he help you clean your house?
yes.
Okay, that's great. Now let us have exercise 1, warm up. Are you familiar with all these phrases?
Can you say again?
Are you familiar with all these phrases? Bob, every day, once a month, twice a week, every 5 minutes, 3 times a day, and once an hour?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Okay, that is good. So we will practice right away. And all you have to do here is to put the list in order from least often to most often. Okay? What is the least often here? What ranks 1? Where should we write 1? Least often.
Uh,
Yes,
once a month,
yes, once a month.
twice a week.
Okay, that's correct. 3.
Uh, 3 times a day.
Okay, 3 times a day. 4.
Once an hour.
Okay, once an hour. What what is the least often?
Uh, every day.
Every day?
Can you say again?
Okay, it is every 5 minutes, bomb, every 5 minutes, and then it's every day. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so that is the list from least often to most often. Okay, so now let us proceed here. What does it mean when we say classmate?
Uh, classmate is uh uh is the friend in class.
Okay, the friend in the class. But what if not all of your classmates are not your friends? Don't you consider them as your classmate? Okay, so when we say classmate, mom, it doesn't they don't necessarily have to be your friend. You just have to mingle with them, okay? It is someone who is in the same class as you, not literally your friend, because of course not all our classmates are our friends. Okay, that is classmates in the same class as you. What about on my own? Tarman. Dito
On
dapit
my
sa kuan. Sangkin dapit. Yes.
uh, I don't know this word.
Okay, so when we say on my own, bomb, it means by yourself or without help from other people. Like I can wash the dishes on my own. Okay, which means you can do it alone. Okay?
Yes.
Do you get it, bomb, or do you want me to translate it?
Uh, no.
Oh, no need. Okay. What about colleague?
Uh, I don't know this word.
Okay, interesting. Now, when we say colleague, it is someone that you work with. Okay, the people that you work with in a company. Just like, for example, your dad is working in an office. Okay, all the people in the same office as him, they are his colleagues. Okay, wait, let me translate that, Bomb. Let me translate it. Okay, that one.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Now, what about teammates?
Uh, teammate is someone in uh the same team.
Yes, it's in the same team as you. It could be in playing sports such as football, or it could be as well as in work, in doing a certain project. Okay, they are your teammates. What about alone?
Alone is uh only people.
Okay, so when we say alone, it means without the presence of anyone else. Okay, so you. Okay, alone. What about best friend?
Uh, best friend. Uh,
You have a best friend, right? But what does it mean when we say best friend?
Uh, best friend is uh a friend usually play with me.
Okay. Yeah. Hmm. However, the most exact term here, Bomb, is that when we say best friend, it's your closest or most trusted friend. Okay, wait. Closest and most trusted friend. Because you can have a lot of friends, but it is your best friend who is your closest and most trusted one. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Why is it Mindanao earthquake? Okay, I'm so sorry for that, Bomb. There is a notification that says there is an earthquake in my area, maybe near my area. Okay, so now let us continue. Okay, what about roommate?
Uh, roommate is uh someone is in the same room.
Room, okay. Here, the right one, someone that you share a room or an apartment with, okay? You share, oh wait, you share your room, you share a room with this person, okay? He or she is your roommate. You share a room with him. Okay, what about by myself?
Uh, by myself is uh uh
What?
someone is to do alone.
Yes, it's just the same. Okay, so when we say by myself, it's just the same as alone and on my own. Okay, which means you can do something on your own, okay, alone, without the help of other people, without other people's presence or company. Okay, now I believe that's all it for our class today. So next meeting will continue with let's practice. Thank you so much, Bomb, and enjoy the rest of the day with your family. Be safe, Bomb.
Bye bye, teacher.